Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to appeal in Bitget P2P. First, about the Bitget mobile app on your phone. Once the app loads, tap on More and then select P2P from the menu. On the P2P page, look at the top right corner and tap on the document icon to open My Orders, where all your P2P transactions are listed. Now, inside My Orders, carefully find and select the order you want to appeal. This order is usually marked as pending or to be paid. Tap on it to open the full order details and check the current status. If you have already tapped Submit Appeal on the order page earlier, you can skip directly to the appeal process. Otherwise, continue with the next step to try solving the issue first. Next, tap on the P2P chat box icon at the top right of the order details page. This allows you to directly communicate with the other party involved in the trade. Clearly explain the issue, such as payment delays or asset release problems, and try to resolve it calmly. Make sure your messages are polite and cooperative, as respectful communication often helps solve the issue faster. If the order status shows pending release, wait for about 10 minutes before filing an appeal. You will see a countdown timer on the screen showing how much waiting time is left. This waiting period is required and gives both parties a chance to resolve the issue without involving support. After the waiting time is over, tap on File an Appeal on the Order Details page. An appeal form will open on your screen. Here, choose the correct appeal type, such as Paid but Assets Not Released or Other, depending on your situation. Then, write a short explanation of the issue within the given character limit. Now, attach supporting evidence to strengthen your appeal. This can include payment receipts, transaction proofs, or screenshots of the chat. Make sure the images or videos are clear, original, and not edited or altered in any way. Once everything is filled in correctly, tap on Submit Appeal to send your request. After submission, a Bitget P2P specialist will join the P2P chat. At this point, the chat will include 3 people: you, the other trader, and Bitget specialist. Follow the specialist's instructions carefully and provide any additional information they request. You can upload photos or recorded videos directly in the chat if needed to support your case. If the issue gets resolved before further action is taken, the appeal can be cancelled by the person who submitted. After canceling the appeal, you can either continue with the trade or choose to cancel the order completely, depending on what works best for you. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.